All right, guys. So here we are. As you can see, the business has been registered with File. As you can see, it's in pending status at the moment since it was recently registered. Anyway, two things that this means is that I have to wait about 3 days because I pay, the extra $50 for the 3 day filing instead of 3 weeks. So 3 days from now, by the end of the week, hopefully. So as you can see, it's Sunday today. So 3 days from now, maybe by Wednesday, maybe by Thursday, it will be ready. So I have already completed other things that I needed to do. As an example, the directories that I needed to, register for. So I created one for Dun and Bradstreet already. One thing about Dun and Bradstreet is that they ask you for the address verification. The business creation is going to take a few days. The next thing that I need to do is create an EIN number. So as you can see, right now it's nighttime. It's 10:19 p.m. So at the moment the offices are closed. But during the day, I will apply for an EIN number. So that's the second thing I need to do after the business has been fully registered. While that happens, it takes about a week for this whole process to happen. So in addition to that, I have created a Yelp for business. As you can see, this is the address that we will be using, which is this location right here. This is the address. So we are using that address all across on all the directories. So let me show you the Dun and Bradstreet one first. So you'll see the email that I used, the new email. So as you can see, it says pending. I submitted some information. So this is to help build business credit. Really important. Typically, the client will take care of this, the EIN and the Dun and Bradstreet, but you need to let them know. But anyway, the Yelp, you can create this one. So as you can see, this one is already done. I also created one for Twitter. As you can see, here's the one for Twitter. You can see the username. I created a LinkedIn company page. I also created a Google My Business page for car butts, and I also created one for Angie's List, as you can see. So I created all the directories that we need, and once you create those, you want to add some additional channels. For example, Pinterest, um, I don't know, Facebook. You want to add a Facebook page on automation with content scheduling tools. So the main thing is that you take care of the directories first, and then you focus about posting content on social media. So that's how you should think about it. Directory first, finish all the directories, help the client finish all the profile. Everything looks nice. You want to view the profile so you can read over everything, what time they close, what time they open, what days they open, what days they are closed, the website, description about the business, pictures, make sure that they have pictures. If they don't have pictures, make sure the profile looks nice and beautiful so it attracts clients. Think about it in their shoes. If you're a customer and you see the page, like you see this one, no pictures, that's not good, right? So we need to add some pictures. You can see the descriptions that I added, some specific offers of services. As you can see, I didn't put anything, but you just want to make it look nicer overall. But yeah, guys, that's how you go at it. Once the business is fully registered, by the way, there is a database within the government. If you Google taxable entity search in the location, so in this situation, it would be Houston, Texas. So you would Google Houston, Texas entity search, then you're going to find this database here. You're going to type the business name, select I'm not a robot, search it. And once the business comes up, that's how you know the business is active. So I want to show you one with Progress Media Group real fast.